You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? French pronunciation, meaning perfume extract or extract of perfume. French, extrait, extrait meaning extract, de parfum, parfum is French for fragrance or perfume. Extrait de parfum, in English you can say it as extrait de parfum, extrait de parfum. French pronunciation, meaning perfume extract or extract of perfume. French, extrait, extrait meaning extract, de parfum, parfum is French for fragrance or perfume. Extrait de parfum, in English you can say it as extrait de parfum, extrait de parfum. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.